municipal court. You have some unresolved matters here. You have a driving while suspended. It looks like the car stop was back in 2021. You also have a no driver's license ticket you received October 1st. These do not require jail time, therefore I cannot appoint a lawyer for you. What I'd like for you to do is speak with the prosecutor about some kind of resolution. I do wish you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. And if you'd like it set for trial, we can do that also. So right at this time, the person that gave you those headphones, could you ask him to put you in a breakout room so you can speak with the prosecutor in private about these tickets?
Okay, thank you. Break room.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge Whitman, the city has decided to dismiss the charges.
Dismissing the charges. All right. Mr. Hoyle, this is your lucky day. Charges are dismissed per the city, and so you have no other further matters before the court.
Okay, thank you.
You have a great day.
You too.
All right, moving to new pod, new floor, Mr. Turk. I'll be back.
All right. Thank you.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Turk is here.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like you had a car stop or some kind, maybe a crash back in July 28th of this year. You received tickets for no driver's license, alcohol in the vehicle, no insurance, not reporting a crash immediately, and some registration issue. I cannot appoint a lawyer for you for these things because they don't require jail time. So what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor concerning these matters. She may have some kind of plea offer for you. If you don't like the plea offer, you can always set it for trial. You have an absolute right to a trial on these. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor. She said,
Yep, leave those on. Understood. You're gonna talk to the prosecutor.
You see the breakout there?
I do not.
All right,
Um,
Miss Sherry, you help her out.
You're already in there. It's near
got
the
it.
bottom. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The deal that we discussed and that Mr. Turk accepted is to plead guilty to the no insurance charge with the $300 fine and dismiss the other four.
All right. Mr. Turk, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, Your Honor.
That you're willing to plead to the no insurance, all the other charges would be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. By entering the plea, however, you're giving up that right to a trial that I talked about. Is that still how you want to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I note that you are in custody on other matters. When do you think you'd be able to make the payment of the $300 in the state fee?
Um, it should be sometime next month. I should be out of here soon. I'm just working on getting a bond reduction.
I gotcha. Okay. I'm going to look at let's see, November 14th. That'll give you some time if you do get out to, get your work going so that you can pay it. All right.
Yes.
I
Thank you,
will
Your Honor.
tell you also that if you pay $20 or $50, they'll move the court date. So that way, as long as you're making some payments, they'll just keep moving that time along so that you don't run afoul of not showing up.
Mhm. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So did you have any other questions?
Will this affect my other case I have right now? Because they told
These
me
are
those charges.
these are traffic matters.
Okay.
So normally, they do not affect criminal matters unless it was like a DUI or something more serious in terms of traffic.
Okay. And when you said I could pay $20 to $50 if I'm not out by that time, if I have some people on the outside pay, then I wouldn't have to.
Absolutely. And if you are still in for whatever reason, we'll know because your court
Okay.
date will come up. We'll know so that we won't do anything,
Okay. Thank you. Thank you
to
so much.
affect that. Yeah. So for the charge of the no insurance, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, I'll accept your plea. The other charges will be dismissed. I'll set it for that November 14th date at 1 o'clock for payment. And I wish you good luck in your other matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you have a good day.
You too.
Next up, Casey Dampier, different pod out the other end of the hallway.
All right, thank you. Apparently they had to go to Jupiter to find
Looks like it.
a good grief. Good night, nurse.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Dampier's here.
All right, great. Thank you.
Bet.
Hello, sir. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. You have a failure to appear summons, possession of drug paraphernalia, and 2 charges of trespass. One you received October 26th at 915 Washington Boulevard, and one you received February 24th of 2024 at the casino here at 777 North 7th Street. These charges do not require jail time, therefore I cannot appoint a lawyer for you. I do wish you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters if that's how you wish to proceed. I do have the prosecutor here that can talk to you about these charges. She could give you a plea offer. If you like the plea, we can do that, or if you don't, we can always set it for trial. So the gentleman that gave you those headphones, if you could ask him to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak with the prosecutor in private about these matters.
Okay.
So
Put-
ask him to put you in a breakout.
Can you put me in a breakout?
That way you can talk to the prosecutor.
Going to let you talk directly to the prosecutor.
Okay, I got shakes.
Wait for the prosecutor to come back.
How you doing today?
I'm doing all right.
Okay.
You seem to be in good spirits today.
Yes, I am.
Good.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no worries. Have we come to some resolution or?
Yes, we discussed and Mr. Dampier accepted a guilty plea on the possession of drug paraphernalia and trespassing, both trespassing charges with the fines waived, and dismissing the failure to appear. I'm not sure if I put it in IMDS properly, but I did intend to put it not to return to the locations in the trespassing.
All right, Mr. Dampier, do you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes.
That you're going to plead to the possession of drug paraphernalia and the 2 trespassings for the dismissal of the failure to appear summons.
Okay.
All right. And that you're promising that you'll stay away from the casino, which is in downtown KCK, there at 777 North 7th, and the 915 Washington Boulevard.
Okay.
Okay. And you know what those places are?
Yes.
Okay. All right. By entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial. You understand that?
Yes.
And that's how you want to proceed today.
Yes.
For the charge of possession of drug paraphernalia, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And to the 2 trespass charges, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'll accept your pleas. The other charge will be dismissed. There will be no fines or costs. Just, there's a lot of places in Wyandotte County to go. Just stay away from the casino there and that 915 Washington. All right?
Okay. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Did you have any questions?
No, yes, ma'am. No.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, then that'll conclude the hearing. You have a good rest of your day and you can give the headphones back to the gentleman that gave them to you.
Is I'm getting out today?
I did not see if you had a hold. Hang on just a second. Because
I
at
got
least,
hoes on me.
yeah, just hold on a minute. Let me look.
Okay.
If I see if there's any other holds on you. You have
Me.
you have criminal matters over in the district court.
Okay.
And so I don't have any authority to do anything, but on these charges, you're not being held. So
Okay.
on those other charges, whatever happens, if they'll let you out, then you'll be out.
And where is that? I got,
On the charges that we just discussed, the trespass and all that, they're concluded. You do have a criminal matter over in the district court,
I got a
and you're
criminal
gonna,
matter.
I'm sorry,
I got a criminal matter.
you got a criminal matter over in district court. And so it looks like you're on docket for today. So you may receive some paperwork from the judge over there, but I don't have anything to do with any of those.
What is the criminal matter? Okay.
Well, you'll have to discuss it with the judges over there. I don't have anything to do with those.
Or where the judges or where?
In the district court,
How would I be able to
where the
see
jail is.
what kind of criminal matters?
Well, that's what I'm saying is I don't have any authority or anything over those things. They're the people that you need to discuss it with, or the lawyer that's going to be appointed for you.
So how long would I stay locked up?
Well, you'll have to talk to the judge or your lawyer about that. These charges are done and they are not holding you. All
So,
right.
so who got holds on me?
Just the district court, you have a bond over there. I don't know what it is. You'll have to talk to the jail about that.
Where's it at? Where's the jail at?
You are in the jail. So ask them what they know, because I don't have information on that. All right. That'll conclude the hearing on our matters. You can hand your the headphones back over to the
So
jail.
when I go to court for them criminal matters,
That is up to them. I don't have anything to do with that.
what are the criminal matters? That's what I'm
Sir,
asking.
I can't help you. I don't have any authority to deal with those charges.
So I'm just
So
going. I don't know what's going on.
well,
Who
you'll
am
have
I?
to talk. You can talk to the jail about any kind of matter if they know what the
Do I
charges
got a
are
lawyer?
and what
I
your
need a
bond is.
lawyer. Do I get a lawyer?
That's up to the jail judges over there. I don't have anything to do
And
with that.
Wyandotte County Detention Center, right?
Correct.
So
Yes.
where's my lawyer at?
I don't know. It's up to them. Give your headphones back to the jail. Our business is done.
Double checking. We're done there, Judge.
Yes.
All right. Head down to the ladies' pod. I'm going to be able to do 2 out of the 3. One of them's going to have to be by herself, but I'll be back
Okay.
soon.
Sounds good.
Yep. Also, the deputy's going to explain to him a little more in
Okay,
depth about
good. Yeah,
the
because
difference
I
between the
have no
CR.
authority. I don't have any authority.
That's
So,
correct. He may not quite get it, but he's going to give it a shot.
yeah, that sounds good.
I was about to say, Judge, you remember who's on first?
I sort of.
Okay.
Well, I mean, he got what we were doing, but then I
Yeah,
couldn't really
yeah.
go into I don't have.
I understand.
I have limited information, and I don't want to tell him anything wrong. So.
Yeah.
Pardon me, Judge, Miss Stevens, Angela Stevens is here.
Okay. Hello, Ms. Stevens. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have many unresolved matters here concerning traffic. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 driving while suspended, 2 no proof of insurance. Let's see, no registration times 2. We've got at least 2 failure to appears. Most of these occurred in 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. I cannot appoint a lawyer on these matters because none of them require jail time. However, what I've done is I've got the prosecutor here that can talk to you about some kind of plea offer. But I want you to understand, if you do not like the offer, we can always set these for trial because you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. So what I'd like for you to do is visit with the prosecutor concerning this, see what they're offering. So the gentleman that gave you those headphones, if you can ask him to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
I got to put those back on.
Thank you.
Talk to the prosecutor.
I think you might have to invite me again to the breakout room since I logged out accidentally.
Oh, you got out. Yeah.
I'm sorry, you're right.
Your Honor, what I've offered and what Ms. Stevens has accepted has just disappeared from IMDS. There we go.
Okay.
Um, I would like to dismiss the charges from before 2020.
Okay,
And that leaves a guilty for the stop and yield sign charge with the fees waived. Guilty for both the later driving with a suspended license with a $150 fee for one of them.
because I
And
just see the one, November 3rd of 2021.
yes,
That's it. Okay.
and then there's another suspended license, 9615040.
So I show one on November 3rd. And all the other driving whilst they're 2019, 2018.
Okay,
So she's pleading just to a yield, failing stop sign, yield sign, and driving while suspended that happened in 2021.
and then the no insurance and no registration and one of the failure to appear, also guilty. The total fines are $300 and then court costs.
Okay, let me go to my attorney rec here. Ms. Stevens, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
I believe so, yes.
Okay, all of the charges that happened in 2020 or before. So, and there's quite a few of them. They are going to be dismissed for the plea that you're entering for some things that happened in 2021.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And that is the stop sign violation, which is a moving violation, driving while suspended, no insurance, I'm
Oh, I
maybe
see where this is happening. So
I'm missing
the May
something.
20th, 2020 ones, that's the stop and yield sign and the driving while suspended.
Yes,
They're
okay,
also guilty pleas. And then the November 3rd, 2021 charges are guilty pleas as well. So that's operating without a registration, no insurance, driving while
so
suspended.
the
failure to appear.
so the ones in 2020 and 2021, we're looking at plea.
Yes,
Okay, so let's start over,
Start over,
Ms.
apologies.
Stevens, so that we're all on the same page.
Okay.
You are pleading to a stop sign or yield sign, a driving while suspended, no registration, no insurance, another driving while suspended, and a failure to appear. What is being dismissed is a driving while suspended, no registration, no insurance, another driving while suspended, seat belt, another driving while suspended, and a failure to appear. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So kind of splitting it in half,
Gotcha.
getting rid of the old stuff. Okay. And then the total fines and costs will be $300. And I'm only gonna, I don't know where that 5350 comes from. It should be 2350. So
yes,
you'll
I thought so as well.
yeah,
I
it'll
don't
be
know
a
why it's
total
charged
of
that way.
$323.50 you'll owe on everything.
Okay.
All right. Now, I'm going to tell you, by entering this plea, you are going to affect your driving privilege some more. Okay.
Okay.
Right now you're driving, you have a suspended license. This is going to make it suspended some more.
Okay.
Okay. Now, by entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial. You can have a right to have a trial on these matters, but by entering the plea, you're giving up that right. Is that how you want to proceed?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to go through the charges that you're going to plead to.
Okay.
Stop sign or yield sign, driving while suspended, no registration, no insurance, another driving while suspended, and a failure to appear. How do you plead to those, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I'll accept your pleas. I will dismiss all the other charges. That $323.50 is you will owe the court. I do know that you have some other matters that are over in district court. So I will look at the end of December for you to pay these.
Okay.
It'll be December 19th at 3. Now, if you are still in custody, we'll know and we can move the date around.
Okay.
No problem. If you are out of custody, you have to make some payments. You can make a $20 or $50 payment and it'll move that date.
Okay.
You can have somebody else pay it while you're still in, doesn't matter.
Okay.
But just understand that you still have that obligation to the court.
Gotcha.
All right. Did you have any questions about these matters?
No, ma'am.
All right. Then that will conclude the hearing, and I wish you good luck in your other matters.
Thank you very much.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
Nicole Weaver next, Judge.
Hello?
Miss Weaver, I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a number of matters here that are traffic I'm sorry.
I have a lot of things. Yes.
Yes. I'm gonna list them out, what's pending here that we have. Seatbelt, no registration, child restraint, 2 counts of no driver's license, another child passenger safety, 2 no insurance, a driving while suspended, and 2 failure to appear summons. Most all of these happen in 21, 22, and 23, and they've been unresolved. Now, I cannot appoint a lawyer for you because these do not require jail time. However, I have the prosecutor here that you could talk over a plea offer. Now, if you don't like what she's offering, you can always set it for trial. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters if you wish.
I just
So-
want to get it done and over with. Like
Right.
I finally got my life back in order. I finally am staying sober
Okay,
and clean
good.
off of everything. So I just really want to get everything taken care of and get out of jail and continue on my
All right.
path.
So here's what we can do. I have the prosecutor here. You can talk to her about a possible resolution of these matters.
Okay.
But again, if you don't like it, we can set it for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you can speak to the prosecutor in private.
Okay, thank you. Can you put me in a breakout room, please?
right, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we discussed and Ms. Weaver accepted a plea offer where I dismiss one of the seatbelt charges, seatbelt for 18 or older. I think that's the only one actually, and
Right.
operating without registration. Then guilty on one of the child passenger safety and driver's license required, with a fine of $150 and $100 respectively. Dismiss another driver's license and child passenger safety charge. Guilty on one of the two insurance charges, dismiss the other. Guilty on driving with a suspended license with fees waived. Guilty on one of the failure to appear with a $150 fine, and dismiss the other failure to appear. That's a total of $700 in fines, $23.50 in court costs.
Miss Weaver, did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right. I will tell you, if your license is currently suspended, this is going to suspend it some more.
Okay, so and once I get it all paid, how do I go about getting my license back?
Well, I can tell you this, that the state of Kansas, you have a Kansas license?
I believe
Or you
so.
did?
I
Yeah.
did.
Okay. There is a possibility, I'm not saying, because they're the ones that give you licenses and takes it away. But there is a way you can get a restricted license while you're paying these things off.
Oh, sweet.
Sometimes.
Okay.
They're the ones that figure that calculus out to figure out if you
Okay.
do it or not. But once you get out, you can go check with driver control to a licensing place, and they can let you know if you might be eligible.
Like
Okay.
like the DMV.
Correct. Where you
Oh,
would get
sweet.
your license.
Okay.
Okay. All right. But by entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial. You understand that?
Yep.
And the fact that it's going to affect your license.
That's fine with me.
Okay. All right. So to the charges of child passenger safety, driver's license for no driver's license,
Hmm.
no insurance, driving while suspended, and failure to appear, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, I'll accept your plea. The other charges will be dismissed. I will assess the fines and costs as noted, so you owe $700 with $23.50 in state fee for a total of $723.50.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, now, these charges will not be holding you anymore. I don't know if there are other charges that are holding you at this time.
Okay.
Let me just look to see if you'll get out today.
I don't think I will, but
Yeah, I can check. Yeah, you have a pending matter over in district court, so
yeah,
I
it's
can't.
okay.
But whatever happens over there, at least when they're done, these won't be holding you.
Okay,
All right.
awesome.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this. I'm going to go to the end of December for you
Okay.
to pay. Obviously, somebody else could help you pay it while you're in custody. Once you get out, you're going to need to make payments or pay it off, however you want to
Okay.
do it. If you make a $20 or a $50 payment, they'll move the date.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
So I'm going to go to December 19th at 1 o'clock.
Okay, awesome.
Hopefully you won't be in anymore, but if
Nope, I won't.
we'll know and we'll change a date for you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
But otherwise, just make payments and you should be good. And go check out the DMV. They may be able to help you. All right.
Awesome. Thank you
All right.
guys so much.
You have a good day.
You too. Bye.
And last here, Ms. Forbes.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Ms. Forbes. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have one unresolved matter here. It's a driving while suspended ticket that it looks like you received in January of this year, January 17th at 700 Central Avenue. I do have a prosecutor here that can give you a plea offer. If you don't like the offer, great, we can set it for trial because you have an absolute right to a trial. I cannot appoint a lawyer for you because this does not require jail time. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout, you can speak to the prosecutor and see what offer she has.
Okay, thank you. Yes, sir.
Talk to your prosecutor, Judge.
Your Honor, we're back.
Yes. Go ahead.
I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the driving while suspended charge.
Okay. Your lucky day, Miss Forbes.
Thank you.
All
I
right.
want to cry right now.
Yeah. The charge is dismissed. You have no further obligation to this court, no pending cases.
I have no more pending cases?
No, that's it, in municipal court.
Okay.
All
So I'll be
right.
able to go home today?
Well, I don't know if you have another hold. Let me look. It looks like you have a pending case in district court, so that's still going and done, but this case is done.
So I will still be here in court, in jail.
As far as I can tell, yes. All right, sorry. Maybe not so much lucky day. But at least this charge is gone. All right. All right. I wish you good luck in your other matters. That'll conclude the hearing.
Thank you.
All right.
That's my list, Judge.
That's all I got. Thank you.
You bet. Good day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.